So I joined Shaheen Gordon 3 years ago, and at the time the firm had plans to grow rapidly. So I was brought in as the Director of Operations. One of the first things I did was assess our IT group, and we had an IT manager that had been here for many years and is still with us. We're very fortunate, but with the growth we were seeing, we knew we needed to either add staff or go outside. And it was that time, about 2.5 years ago, that we brought in Mainstay, interviewed them to see what they could bring to the table, and not long after we made the decision to go with co-managed IT services. Mainstay's been great. We love the model we have, where we have in-house IT services. Our IT manager, Bill, does a great job, and we've really partnered with Mainstay for 2.5 years now. We have a dedicated team from Mainstay, which we really appreciate. And at that time, once we made the decision to go with Mainstay, we did an initial assessment where we came up with clear responsibilities, from Mainstay, and then what we would handle internally directly. We've customized our plan, to meet our needs. We use Mainstay for project management, system monitoring 24 hours a day when we're not here. We leverage their procurement expertise, and we've utilized them for cybersecurity. Those are both things that, expertise that we didn't have in-house. So again, while we do a lot internally, in today's day and age, cybersecurity and having a written information security plan, were really important to us. So we, partnered with Mainstay, to do those things relatively quickly. And we've developed a, professional, trusted partnership that really works well for us today.